Hey guys, it's me, Anthony Hess Toy Trucks. So today here we got amazing 1994 rescue fire truck. So let's hit it. So let's go to the front side. In the front side there's two main headlights and the word says Hess on it. And underneath there's another headlight. And let's go to the right side of the truck. You can see there's another foot pedestal thing, and it's put in there, and there is a mirror right there, and do like this and like that. And backside, there's a number 94 on it, and there's looks like a tow truck to me, and there's the bumper looks rusty and old, and back then. Let's go to the right side. The right side, and there's another foot pester, and it's put it back. And there's a broken thing right here, and there's a rubber tire, and the word says Hess, and even gasoline. Let's check it out on the top side. The top side must be ladders, and the ladders looks come from was in a year ago. And let's check out this ladder works. So look at this ladder. This ladder was covered in red, and it's foot long, and just put it back right down there because my phone will not fall. So you can see all those rusty things, and let's turn off this light right here, and we'll drop down and come on. And here's the flashes. So the other one, the original lights, didn't work, and you can see all those flashes around. Let's turn it off. Let's turn this thing on. So that's the 1994 rescue fire truck for the company name Hess, and I'm about to go. Bye.
What we're going to